press announcement first thing in the morning.
Tom, does any inkling of truth, any of these charges, if anyone has ever harmed the air of this nation, I will find out. But if it's not true, you'll be impeached on the floor of the Senate.
So morning one at my new place here in Bello, that's how they say it in Colombia. Messy kitchen from last night eating frisbee. Anyway, wake up. It's about 8 something in the morning. Here's my view outside my window. Huge balcony, by the way. Smoking right there. Check out the beautiful view here in Bello. Right next to nestled into this huge green mountain. Beautiful, man. And then the mist cuts through this little area. It's beautiful. This is the Tranvia de Cargo, the Highway 25. Over there it's mostly industrial, that's mostly the mountains. Over there's some tower, that's overlooking the water thing. There's Valle Verde. It has dos apartment complexes. One's called Rotterdam. Look at this. This is the neighborhood Rotterdam. Huge buildings, tons of units. They all have a glass balcony. There's the water system there. Huge industrial water system. Tranvia acá. There's another apartment complex there. You see how tall the buildings get. And there's a ton of buildings for rent. There's a Day Uno restaurant down there. There's a bunch of restaurants, a sushi restaurant, all that. He's coming into my friggin' apartment. There's the other one on the balcony. Dude, the moth is literally on. I mean, not the moth too, but the two white doves. This is sort of downtown, not El Centro, but Puerta del Norte in Bello, Colombia. This is like the front entrance, which is really the back entrance. The front. Taxis and shit dropping people off. Socks and shoes and bread and chicken. So they got a bunch of restaurants down here and shit like that too. So the sun is setting on this Friday night, and there's this absolutely beautiful color in the sky. It's like an orange, yellowish color, and then over there, it's completely dark blue. But dude, it just looks amazing. It's like fading from completely dark blue up into this orange color up here. The camera, once again, this camera phone could never truly capture how beautiful it actually is. But yeah, I went to the mall today, as you'll see in other videos. It's an amazing Friday.